Beloved, I can see just where you are, encumbered with the sorrows from the past. I understand it in a way you possibly could never. But let me tell you something as clearly as the blue sky on a sunshiny day. There's something new and wonderful ahead for you. And you know, life is such, with transformations happening just like that, suddenly out of the blue. It's like a road appearing in the midst of a wilderness, or a river suddenly flowing through a dry desert. This kind of change is what I am going to bring into your life. As of now, maybe that sounds far-fetched, but believe me, new things are going to come your way. Remember my promise in Isaiah 43, verse 19. See, I will do a new thing. Now it shall spring forth. Shall you not know it? I will even make a road in the wilderness and rivers in the desert. So take a moment, think of a caterpillar, one of my most precious entities, that crawls up and down, tied by every branch it can reach. And one day, it cocoons itself, believing that it has closed inside a coffin, thinking that its little world has come to an end, but it's really preparing itself to be turned into a butterfly. This is happening to you. The struggles and pain that you have gone through are not the end. They are just part of your transformation. You may turn around and see only a desert remains behind you, a place of drought, a place without substance. Only, I am already at work to make rivers within your deserts, rivers of life, of hope, of beginning again. Just like the way the desert blooms after the rain, so too is your life about opening up in ways that you can't even imagine. These are not tracts of wilderness that I talk about, but paths of opportunity, healing, and joy. They lead to places and experiences that will fill your heart with wonder and happiness. You may find it hard to let go of the past. I know. It feels a lot like an old blanket, worn out, and probably not very good for you, but oh so familiar. Yet I ask you to step out of your comfort zone. Let go of that old blanket and embrace the new things that I am doing in your life. Remember, I am always here with you, step by step. I am turning your trials into victories and your pains into purposes. So hold your head up high, be prepared in your heart, and keep your spirit wide open for new things that are emerging. Not far off are the better days that are soon to be a reality. My commitment to you. Let's take this new path together, step by step, into a hopeful and joyous future. Yes, life can be at times like that of a serpentined road with surprises and tacks. You have seen your share of sorrow, haven't you? When every turns to dark and past seems to be a cross too heavy to bear. I see all that and understand. But this is the most important part of information that I need you to know. Much better days are coming your way. No, really, much better, brighter days. Now, how do I know? You may ask. It is because I have created a future for you that is full of hope, joy, and innumerable blessings. What I want you to wake up every morning feeling excited, looking forward to, is that there's good stuff coming your way. Now all the sorrow and troubles are what you had before. They're of the past. In fact, they can't control your future in any way. Look at it the same way you see the night sky. Eventually, it turns over and paves the way to a bright new dawn. Just like the sun rises every day and brings you a new beginning in life, so is your life going to be filled with new beginnings, light, and happiness. I am not asking you to forget about your past. After all, your experiences make you who you are. But don't let them hold you back. Learn from them, grow stronger because of them, and then gently let them go. Think how a tree sheds off its leaves in winter for it to reclothe itself with new vibrant ones come spring. That's the kind of renewal I wish for you. The past has its lessons, but it shouldn't overshadow your future. Leave today in the assurance that you are deeply loved and your joy will be full. Seize them with both hands. You're going to remember things that will fill you with delight in rich ways, moments when you want to laugh and dance. Then, when doubt tries to edge its way back in, when memories of the past begin to threaten the clarity of your present, just remember, I am right here with you. I am rooting for you, leading you toward better days. Believe in the promise of a future so good. Believe what lies ahead is bright, 'cause it really is. Better days are not some faraway dream. They are your reality, waiting on you to walk into them. Breathe deeply, my love, and hold your head up high. For with the radiant light of this new dawn, you can walk confidently. Life only gets better from here, and I cannot wait for you to see. Let's make a step forward into this bright future, holding the promise of better days. Remember, wherever you go, or whatever faces you, there is hope and a brighter tomorrow awaiting you.